What's up guys, it's me or Jimmy Geek. So here the Samsung Galaxy S6 review in 2018. This is an amazing phone. The first thing I wanna talk about the display. The Quad HD 577 ppi is amazing. I mean the display is the one of the best display you can have on a smartphone, to be honest with you. I really like the display a lot. I mean, let me be honest with you, I really like the display a lot. The display is one of the appealing reason why you should get it. The second is the super fast performance. It have a 64-bit processor and 64-bit OS. The performance is like fast. I mean, it's nearly Snapdragon 821 or 820. I mean equivalent. Yes, not 835, but for 165 US dollar. The performance is amazing. When Jimmy Geek is telling you the performance is amazing, then it's amazing, amazing, amazing. I mean, not only that, the gaming performance is also something out of this world. I mean, let me be honest with you. I mean, also the camera is amazing. The selfie camera is very good. The rear camera is really very good. The 12 megapixel with OIS. I mean, I really like it. And then the build quality is one of the best build quality I've ever seen in a smartphone. Let me be honest with you, the one of the best build quality I ever seen in a smartphone. I mean, the Gorilla Glass 4 back and front is really amazing, really rock solid. I really love it. Okay, let me turn off the radio. Radio. I mean, look at the beauty. I hate Samsung Galaxy S8 and S9. They are a crappy phone. I mean, I want these kind of design back. I mean, look at the beauty of this phone. Wow. I mean, look at the performance of this phone. I mean, isn't that awesome? I mean, the camera is very good. I mean, it's running Android 7.1. Nougat Oreo is also coming. I mean, for less than 165 US dollar, this is a must buy. Please do not buy crappy Xiaomi. I hate Xiaomi phone from the beginning. I really don't like. I only like maybe Oppo. Mostly, I am a Motorola, Nokia fanboy. My personal everyday daily driver is an essential phone. Also, click to watch my essential phone review. I mean, I am a essential fanboy. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's enough. So yeah, this is a must buy. The killer camera quality, the display is amazing, the build quality is amazing, compact phone, 5 hour on screen time. What else you can expect? I mean, this is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. If you wanna spot me from the link in the description box below. It was me, your Jimmy Geek. Bye. Bye.